All right, we are underneath our 1977 Fire Chicken, right?
Yeah,
Trans
man.
Am. And we have the owner, Maddie, her first car. Totally stoked for a number of reasons, because the car is awesome, Maddie's awesome, and it's the next generation of car builder.
Yeah, can we just say, though, for a first car, how cool is this? Like, it's not a hand-me-down. This has a lot of passion involved with it, and a lot of passion that you're gonna hear about from Maddie. So, Maddie, this project for you, it meant something special. How cool is it for you to get your hands on a 77 Trans Am? That's awesome.
Yeah, it is absolutely amazing. It's been my dream car forever, and I still can't believe I have it.
How many of us get their dream car for the first car?
one.
Normally, it's the 6
doubt.
car, 7 car.
And roll it into a TV show, and, right, fast forward, get the thing actually running and driving and in a cool shape for your driver's license.
Yeah, that's what you guys have been doing. So tell us a little bit about what you've already done to the car. So obviously some work under here. All right, so walk us through. What have you guys done so far?
We have all of our frame and
Suspension parts?
suspension, yeah, from
Did you guys
Firebird
do new
Central.
torque boxes too?
Yeah, we did. Firebird
Nice.
Central.
All right, man.
Oh, we see some floor pans. Those
Yeah,
are fresh.
Yeah, we got all new floor panels from Firebird Central, and we welded them all in.
All right, so I think we've kind of worked our way up to the
Yeah.
front, but that's about it, right? There's no more, the rest of it's all on us, right? We're gonna dive in. All right, I got my partner in crime here, Audrey. We're gonna tackle this corner. Now, the girls already got in here and cleaned up this inner fender, so that's looking good, but the rest of it is still pretty ugly, huh?
Yes, absolutely. And Firebird Central sent us a whole slew of new suspension parts. So we've got tie rods, ball joints, and then bushings as well. We went with rubber. We felt that that would be, meet all of our needs for this car.
Yeah, well, rubber is great because it's gonna last 30 years. It does a lot better on durability than a polyurethane. Usually from the factory, it's not as stiff, but hey, this is gonna be a great riding car back to original 77 kind of brand new factory feel. All right, you ready to get dirty?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's rock on.
There we go. All right, there we went.
We just got done doing the bushings and the ball joints that Firebird Central sent us, and they also sent us the seat foam and upholstery, and we have done all of the seats in my car except for this one that I'm sitting on. So now it's time to tear apart the old seat and get it redone.
Can you tell she's getting a little excited? I mean, just a little bit, seeing the car, come around. And these seats make a incredible package. They really did send a complete kit, and they have it all, man, from the door panels to the molded carpet to, the seat, complete with the exact stuff you had back in 1977, the Sierra vinyl, the Tetra inserts. So it looks just like it did, authentic from 1977. The back there,
Yeah.
so much sharper than this back here. Oh, no, just sit right there. Just be comfortable. See what I mean? Yeah, just look at the difference. As you can tell, worn, tired, brand new. Now, if we just had Maddie here to finish this up, we'd be set.